Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, with a review of the Moto G41. This bandito, and I've been using this phone for the last 2 weeks now, and I can easily recommend this phone. But if you want to know about those buts, then please stick around to the end of this video. Also, if you want to see an unboxing with the specs of the phone, please watch it up here. And if you want to see a camera review of the phone, also watch it up here. But let me start you off with the pluses of this phone. The screen is number one. Look at those viewing angles. If you're familiar with low budget and Motorola devices, you are not accustomed to this kind of screen. That's because this is an OLED screen with a PPI of 411. What that means is if you've got the eyes of a child, then you can zoom in close and you can watch, and it will not be too pixelated. Also, it is only a 60 Hz screen refresh rate, but that doesn't matter too much. If your use case scenario is for watching YouTube and watching Netflix, then this screen will just seem like crème de la crème. 6.4-inch crème de la crème. So it's a brilliant screen, it's a brilliant choice. Another cool thing about this phone is the battery. It's a 5000 mAh battery. That means it'll last you a long time, also with the OLED screen. Plus, it's got a 33-watt charger included in the box, which means it will charge to full in around an hour. And then it's got my favorite things about a Motorola to activate the torch and the double wrist turn to activate the camera. Blimey, could we get another subject, please? Now watch these games and listen to the speaker at the same time. No. Okay, this screen just looks really brilliant when playing PUBG, I must say. But take a look at the plane. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And what about the skies? Decent, as it is in HDR. It feels really responsive, I must say. So, we won a game on the Moto G41. And let's not say who made all of the kills, because it sure wasn't me. So let's look at my stats. They're definitely not too good on this one. So as you heard, it only has a mono firing speaker right there at the bottom. You can see it just there, and it actually produces, I would say, good, okay, audio, and pretty loud also. And now for those buts. It is a relatively slow phone, as you can see here, but then again, if it's considered a budget phone, then you will not be unhappy with this phone. It's not super slow. And the second big but is actually the camera quality, as you can see up here down in the description. And then the third but is that it will actually just get one Android update, and it ships with Android 11 and will only get Android 12. That doesn't matter too much in my opinion, but what matters is that it get 3 years of security patches, and that you gotta keep in mind is from the launch date, which is in January 2022. So come January 2025, and that it will receive its last security update. After that, it will actually be subject for malicious attacks and people wanting to, you know, grab your data and personal stuff. So if you're watching this video in 2025, then you better consider selling this phone or putting it into the ocean. No, don't do that. A laundromat. Then you better think about dispersing of this phone in an environmentally friendly way. So 3 years of security patches and 1 Android update. That's still a bit of a but. And finally, about the pricing of the device, please check out your local prices. But if it's around $200, then this is a sure buy. If it's $300, I would say, nah. If it's $250, I would still say, yeah, go for it. It's a very good phone for the money if speed and camera quality is not of most importance to you. I personally think the Motorola has really nailed it with this one because they know they don't deliver on too much of the security updates and stuff. And then they chose to put an OLED screen on there, which is not known for being long lasting. So you made an excellent product choice here with the OLED screen and a phone that is not meant to last more than 2 or 3 years. The only thing I would be more happy for with this phone is if it had stereo speakers and a more powerful CPU. Then this would be like a 6 out of 5 Google stars. But right now, if it's around $200 device, this is a 5 out of 5 device. If you are also considering the Moto G41, I would say that is exactly the same phone as this, the same screen, the same CPU, but it hasn't got that fast charger in the box. And also, it's not got the same amount of internal storage. This one has got 128 internal storage, opposed to the 64 gigabytes of internal storage. So those are the major differences. This states that it's got optical image stabilization, but heck, watch my video review of the phone up here. See for yourself if you think that's optical image stabilization, not in my book. So that's it. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bornholm, Bornholm, Bornholm. Ved jeg godt gad vide, det er creme de la creme. Was that over the top? Jeg giver ikke det pisse.